In this tutorial, we'll be diving into the world of Python and JSON. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. It's used quite a lot in APIs, config files, and even data storage. We'll be going over the basics, explaining the syntax of JSON, why you would use JSON, and how to work with JSON in Python. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to convert a Python dictionary into a JSON string and how to convert a JSON string back into a Python dictionary. Let's start by importing the JSON module. The import keyword is used in Python to bring external modules or libraries into our code. In this case, we are importing the JSON module, which is a built-in module in Python that provides methods for working with JSON data. By importing the JSON module, we gain access to a set of functions and classes that make it easy to encode and decode JSON data, convert between JSON strings and Python objects, and perform various operations on JSON data. Next, let's start with a basic Python dictionary. This is a simple Python dictionary with keys as name, age, and city with their respective values. Now, let's convert this dictionary into a JSON string. Let's check out the output. As you can see, the JSON.dumps function turned our Python dictionary into a JSON string. Notice how it's almost identical to the Python dictionary, but it's actually a string now. This is useful when you want to write this data to a file or transmit it over a network. Now, let's do the reverse. We'll convert a JSON string back into a Python dictionary. Let's check out the output. Using the JSON.loads function, we've converted our JSON string back into a Python dictionary. It's as simple as that. But what if we have a more complex data structure, like nested dictionaries or lists? Well, JSON handles that easily too. Let's see how. We'll create a more complex Python dictionary now. Notice how our dictionary now has another dictionary nested inside it and also contains a list. Now, let's convert this into a JSON string. As you can see, our nested dictionary and list have been successfully converted into a JSON string. And that's it. JSON in Python is as simple as using the JSON.dumps function to convert a Python object into a JSON string and the JSON.loads function to convert a JSON string back into a Python object. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding.